Ever wondered what type of digging tool is the best for hard ground? Well, you're about to find out. Digging, whether it's for gardening or construction, isn't just about brute force. It's about using the right tool for the job. And when it comes to hard ground, there are a few key players that rise to the challenge. First off, we've got the pickaxe, a heavyweight champion known for its power. Then there's the mattock, a versatile tool that's both a digger and a cutter. Last but not least, we have the digging bar, a tool that brings efficiency to a whole new level. Each of these tools has its strengths and weaknesses, and understanding these can make all the difference in your work. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener or a novice at construction, these tools can be your best allies. Stay tuned to learn more about these amazing tools and how they can make your gardening or construction tasks easier. First on our list is the mighty pickaxe. This tool, often associated with miners and treasure hunters from folklore, is a gardener's secret weapon when it comes to dealing with hard, rocky ground. The design of a pickaxe is fairly simple, yet incredibly effective. It typically consists of a long, sturdy handle made of wood or fiberglass and a metal head with two ends. One end is sharp and pointed, designed for breaking up rocks and hard soil. The other end is flat and wide, perfect for prying and lifting once the ground has been broken up. The pickaxe is a tool of brute force, relying on the user's strength to drive the sharp end into the ground and lever out rocks or break up compacted soil. Now, not all pickaxes are the same. There are different types, each with its specific use. For example, the rail pick with its chisel-like end is ideal for cutting through roots and vegetation. The mattock pick, on the other hand, has a broader, adze-like end for digging and hoeing. The size and weight of the pickaxe also vary, allowing you to choose the right tool for your job and your strength. A lighter pickaxe might be easier to swing, but it won't have the same impact as a heavier one. The pickaxe is a testament to the fact that sometimes the old ways are the best ways. Despite advancements in technology and the development of powered digging tools, the pickaxe remains a popular choice for its simplicity and effectiveness. It's a tool that doesn't rely on fuel or electricity, just good old-fashioned human strength. So, if you're dealing with rocky terrain, a pickaxe might just be your best friend. It's a tool that asks for nothing more than a bit of elbow grease, and in return, it gives you the ability to conquer even the most challenging ground conditions. A pickaxe is more than just a digging tool. It's a symbol of perseverance and determination, and a reminder that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Next up, let's talk about the versatile mattock. The mattock is a tool that's as old as agriculture itself, and for a good reason. It's an instrument of many talents, designed with a broad, flat blade on one side and a sharp, pointed pick on the other. This dual-purpose design makes the mattock a master at multitasking. Let's dig a little deeper into its functions. The flat blade, often referred to as the adze, is perfect for digging. Whether you're breaking ground for a new garden or turning soil for an existing one, the mattock's adze is your go-to. Its wide, flat surface makes moving earth a breeze. But the mattock isn't just a one-blade wonder. Flip it over, and you've got a formidable chopping tool. The pick end of a mattock is sharp, pointed, and perfect for cutting through stubborn roots. If you've ever tried to plant a tree in a root-riddled yard, you'll understand the value of a good pick. In addition to digging and chopping, a mattock can also be used for hoeing. Its adze, with its broad, flat surface, can be used to shape the soil, making it an excellent tool for gardeners. The mattock is a tool that can handle a multitude of tasks, making it a favorite amongst gardeners and landscapers alike. What sets the mattock apart from other digging tools is its proficiency in breaking up hard ground. If you've ever had to dig in compacted soil or clay, you'll know it's no easy task. But with a mattock in hand, even the toughest ground doesn't stand a chance. The pointed pick can break up the hard ground while the flat adze can scoop it up, making the job much easier. So whether you're a seasoned gardener, a budding landscaper, or someone who just enjoys working with their hands, a mattock is a versatile tool that can tackle a wide range of tasks. It's the kind of tool that makes you wonder how you ever managed without it. A mattock is a versatile tool, perfect for those who need one tool to do it all. Now, let's consider the highly efficient digging bar. In the realm of hard ground excavation tools, the digging bar holds a unique position. Also known as a pry bar, tamper bar, or even a San Angelo bar, this tool is a model of simplicity and effectiveness. Essentially, it's a long straight metal bar, often with a pointed tip on one end and a flat chisel-like edge on the other. This design might seem basic, but it's this very simplicity that makes the digging bar such a formidable tool. The pointed tip is perfect for breaking up hard, compact soil, while the flat edge is great for prying loose rocks or roots. And because of its length, the digging bar can reach deeper into the ground than most other digging tools. It's like having a pickaxe and mattock combined, but with an added advantage: depth. Imagine you're working on a patch of ground that's been undisturbed for years. The soil is compact, full of rocks and roots. Other tools might struggle to make a dent, but not the digging bar. With its pointed tip, you can drive it into the ground, using your weight to break up the hard soil. Meanwhile, the flat edge can be used to pry up those stubborn rocks and roots, making your digging job a whole lot easier. Also, if you're installing posts or need to dig a deep hole, the digging bar is your best friend. It can easily penetrate deeper than a spade or any other digging tool, making it invaluable for these types of tasks. Its weight and length give it the leverage needed to make deep, narrow holes, which can be a real game changer when you're working with hard ground. And let's not forget durability. Because it's often made of high-quality steel, a digging bar is built to last. It can withstand the rigors of heavy-duty work and keep on going, making it a valuable addition to any tool collection. So, in conclusion, when it comes to breaking up hard soil, prying up stubborn rocks, or digging deep holes, a digging bar is a tool of choice. Its simple design, versatility, and durability make it a standout performer in any groundwork situation. If depth is what you're after, a digging bar is hard to beat. Now that we've explored these tools, let's compare and contrast them. Starting with the pickaxe, this tool is all about power. It's designed with a pointed end and a chisel-shaped end, giving you the ability to break through hard ground and then chip away at the loose materials. It's a great choice for jobs that require a lot of force, such as breaking up compacted soil or rocks. However, it may not be the best choice for more delicate tasks, as it can be quite heavy and unwieldy. Next, let's look at the mattock. This tool is incredibly versatile, with one end shaped like an axe for chopping roots and the other end flat and wide for digging. The mattock is perfect for tasks that require a little more precision, such as digging around existing plants or working in smaller spaces. But it might not be the best choice for really hard ground, as it lacks the sheer power of the pickaxe. Lastly, we have the digging bar. This tool is all about efficiency. It's long and straight, with a chisel tip for breaking ground and a tamper on the other end for compacting soil. The digging bar is an excellent choice for digging deep holes or trenches, as it can reach further than the other tools, but it might not be as useful for chopping roots or breaking up large rocks, as it doesn't have the same cutting power as the pickaxe or mattock. So, which tool is right for you? That depends on your specific task and the type of ground you're working with. If you're dealing with hard, compacted soil or rocks, the pickaxe might be your best bet. For more precision tasks or working in smaller spaces, the mattock could be a great choice. And if you need to dig deep or compact soil, the digging bar could be just what you need. Remember, the right tool can make all the difference in your work. So, we've learned about pickaxes, mattocks, and digging bars. Each of these powerhouses has its unique features and uses that make it indispensable for hard ground tasks. Pickaxes, with their sharp pointed ends, are perfect for breaking up rocky soil and hard clay. They are your go-to tools when you need to create a new garden bed or plant trees in challenging terrains. Mattocks, on the other hand, have a dual-purpose design that allows for both chopping and digging. They are fantastic for tasks that require a bit more finesse, like creating trenches or removing roots. Then we have the digging bars. Their long, sturdy design makes them ideal for prying and levering rocks or heavy objects out of the ground. Each tool has its place, and the key is to choose the right one for the job at hand. Hopefully, you now feel more equipped to tackle hard ground, whether in your garden or on a construction site. Thanks for joining us today.